Yeah, buddy. Let's get in a makeover today. All right, guys, we're here with Chris, and the Carbine's gonna get a little makeover today. So, gonna put some stuff on and then try it out tomorrow. Let's go see what he has.
So, what we're doing today, we've got our joystick, ride joystick. This is the analog carbon bar, 35 mil diameter stem, 30 mil rise, 800 mil width. Obviously that's adjustable. We got hacksaws, we got knives, we can use our teeth if we need to. This is the binary light saddle, low profile, super light in weight. Binary grips, single lock on. They are tapered inside with some structures, so even if you cut your bars too short or want that adjustability, slide your bars back out. You still got the structure and support. Then this bad boy, binary stem, 35 diameter, of course, 50 mil. Also comes in a 30 mil offset.
Everything's perfect. I think I held everyone up. Hopefully not. What's up, guys? Sorry for holding you up. What's up, Mike? Good, you? Doing good. Sweet. What's up, man? How's it going, dude? Up, man? Yeah. Yeah. What's up? You got a new truck or what? Oh, Arturo. Nice to meet you. Hello. Did you get a run following Mo?
Where should we go after this? TB Flow wants to follow Mo. Grab.
Sick.
Mo Flow.
The Mo Flow. Oh gosh. There you go. There you go. Mo's first time on the trail. Woo! Nice.
Oh,
woo!
mile up. I was gonna say stop.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Dude. Hell yeah. Mo!
Mike. Woo! Stay on the right. There you go. Nice, dude.
Oh my God.
Oh man. There you go. I was killing it.
Dude,
woo!
Oh, this is yeah.
Woo! That's why I can't do it from there. I just over pulled and almost went over. That's why I can't do it from there. I just over pulled and almost went over.
That's good.
Oh gosh.
Got everyone? Yeah.
Oh dude, I knew I shouldn't have started from there. I was like, oh man.
Nuts. When did you know everything was going wrong?
As soon as I hit it with no speed and pulled up too much.
That was insane.
Oh man, that was so funny. There you go. Nice.
On the rain.
There you go.
Whoa.
All right guys, we just got back up to the top. Super nice climb. Stuff feels really good. But
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's got like
I'm gonna go down distortion. So we're doing distortion. Yo! Oh man, a little too hot. Oh, no, you're good, dude. Woo! Yeah. Nice, dude. There you go. Oh man. Send it. Oh. Yeah. Woo. Got a little road gap. Just send it. You're good. Yeah. Nice, dude. Whoa! Woo! Nice, dude. Mo went into full send mode. All the action up here. Little chunk. There you go. Whew. Ah! Unclipped. Oh man. Oh. What's up, bro? Sorry I flaked on you.
Yeah, it's chill. I rode with Cole when we filmed.
I saw that. Sick. You just get here?
Yeah, I only did mock dog, so.
Sick. I think we're gonna head to the tower side if you want to roll.
I'm done.
Sick, dude. Following Zane. Yeah, buddy. Should get a little rowdy. Woo! Oh! Woo! Dude. Yeah, dude. All sideways. Oh! Oh, dude. Trying to go into the bushes. Go. Oh shit! There you go. Nice, dude. Oh, case. You want to do that again?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. My bad, Mike.
Oh, for sure, yeah. If you guys want to dump it, for sure.
Oh, I'm like, what? We're going to follow Zane and Sam. horrible. Dude, I no clue what I was hitting. I should have looked at it.
You doing again?
I'm down. It got sketchy coming into it though.
Round 2? Yeah. What do you think?
Round 2.
Yeah.
Not as much speed. Yeah.
Oh no!
Ah! Oh, oh dude! My gum fell out. Oh God! All right, so we're following Sam.
Oh my God!
Whoa! Whoa! That's new. Oh man, washing out on everything over here. Woo! Loose. And taking out freaking branches. Should probably let him know about that drop. There's a little roller coming up right here, dude.
Roll?
Yeah. Little roll. Roll. There you go. Nice. I'm gonna get follow cam of Sam getting follow cam of Zane.
Follow cam.
Oh! Sketch City. I got sketchy.
I got scared.
Yeah.
I was in your whip. That was scary.
Following Chris on this 10-second trail. Oh, sh! What the hell? Oh my gosh. What's that? Dude. I have no clue what that was. Haven't ridden the bottom of brake right in forever. Oh my gosh.